Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can duplicate your pages and make exact copies of them on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Squarespace site, and duplicating pages might be used for a wide variety of reasons. One of which is if you're developing your page, if it's already live and your site is published, you might want to create a duplicate of that page and then just modify that before you actually make any changes go live. Make sure it goes through the proper testing and make sure everything works perfectly before you actually set out and make that page public. Now, the way you can do this is you can go into the pages menu right over here, select whichever page you want to duplicate. For example, I'll duplicate my scheduling page. You just click here on this gear icon, and then you can go ahead and duplicate that page from the general section. You just scroll down, click duplicate page, and that's gonna ask you to confirm it. And once you do, as you can see, now I have a copy of scheduling. For example, I'll rename it into, well, I'll just keep it as scheduling copy since for some reason I couldn't change the title. But for example, if I go into scheduling, as you'll see, it is the exact same page. And now you can make any changes you want here. If I go into the settings, the URL slug is a bit different, but this is pretty much how you can make changes to a page that is unlinked. And from there on, you can duplicate that further if you want, but that's not needed. To make this page the official one, you just need to change the URL slug to the slug of the previous page. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.